Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I have a Spellbinders haul. I got some mail today and there's some goodness from the new August release. So I just said, okay, let me add another video into all these videos so you guys can take a peek and see what's in store. And I'm also going to talk about, again, what's back in stock. Alrighty crafters, let's get started. Okay crafters. First up, let's talk about what's back in stock because that's exciting. Be Bold Blooms. I found Be Bold Blooms back in stock. Not everywhere, but hey, it's back in stock. Be Bold Blooms, a lot of it is used here on this card. And also, Holiday Blooms. This one has been sold out. This released last month, but it's been hard sellout. This is also back in stock, Holiday Blooms. So if you want to cover florals for all your cards for the whole year, these two sets will get you there. Be Bold Blooms, Holiday Blooms. If you want to add on to Holiday Blooms, then you could consider Christmas Blooms. This released last year. These two, happy. Okay? So I just wanted to let you know, these two are back, especially this one. How long? Have no idea because I know it's been sold out a lot of places and people have been looking real hard. Next, what is also back in stock, I mentioned it a few times because I've been using it on a lot of my card examples. This one, Faux Stitch embossing folder. This can only be purchased though at Spellbinders because it's from their embossing folder kit club. Here it is on the winter labels motif die set. There it is in the background, and it's also on Camper Life. So you see how it looks? Completely different application, same thing. These florals though are from the Winter Welcome Sled. I will put a link for this. This one might be sold out everywhere though, but she's a cutie patootie. Cutie patootie. That's what you saw up here in this one. Okay, so we have Faux Stitch embossing folder, the sled. This is also in the newest release, and I did order it because I was able to get it and play with it for all the introductory videos that I showed you guys. So let me show you now all of the stuff that I have received lately. Those two embossing folders, the one that you just saw, Argyle Socks. This is a 2D embossing folder. The sister to it, the new 3D embossing folder, Scenic Poinsettias. Love. I've shown examples in videos of these two. I just showed you this here in action. Love the Argyle Socks. Love the poinsettia. I just don't have my card sample here. I used it for the Santa Lane kit. Okay? And moving on. I did talk about in one of the other videos this. Lots of wishing you sentiments, which also works with the many birthdays, which you will have happy birthday, and then you get the die, and then you get the sentiments. It's called Many Birthdays, and then there's one called Many Thanks. I'm showing you pictures here because I don't have the die set on me. But this one is wishing you, and then I said to you, oh, there's a Merry Christmas. That just came in the mail, so let's go ahead and take a peek. This one, oh, it's lovely. Many Merry Christmas sentiments. So there's lots of wishing you sentiments, brand new. Both of these, haven't used them yet, but happy. Merry Christmas. This one is like 3 1/8 of an inch. The height, 3/4. Wishing you, 2 5/8. Same, 3/4 of an inch. And the main sentiment has that matching die and that great scripty font. Stamp it out, stamp and heat emboss, and then cut it out, and then add all of the fun here. These are photopolymer stamps. Fun. Here are the examples on the back. This is what got me. That example on the back. Merry Christmas. This one, it was at Spellbinders. By the time I saw it, it was long gone, long sold out. This one I was able to get. So I will put all of them there. So we have the wishing you. This is the Christmas versions. And then the birthday version and the thank you version. Okay. Next, Merry Glimmer sentiments. Love. I saw an example. I don't remember who I saw the example from. It might be Yana. And she had this, and I was just like, oh yes, I love a good Glimmer hot foil plate. This is one of them. And if you are new to Glimmer hot foil plates, the easiest way to get your mojo going to keep on doing it, because I know sometimes it can be like, I had my machine for a while before I used it. I was just like, and then once I started using it, I'm like, what was I waiting for? if you're not having great success, how to have great success? Choose hot foil plates that have the hot foil plate and the matching die, so then you won't get so frustrated until you really get the hang of it and know your machine. It's knowing your machine, that's the thing. If you have too much pressure, if you don't have enough, if it's over foiling all the time, if it's foiling correctly, all that jazz. But if you don't want to get into huge backgrounds yet, this is the way to go. Build. I just love this because these are so easy. You just put them down, then you cut them out. Don't worry about little foiling on the side. Oh well, it cuts out here and it's done, and you keep it moving. Love this. So this one is Merry Glimmer Sentiments, 8 plates and 8 dies. Everything here has a coordinating die. Merry Christmas, greetings, bright, sending, season, wishing. What is it? Sending. Oh gosh, I can't even think right now, guys. You can go ahead and mix them up for me. I know there is Merry and Bright, Merry Christmas, season's greetings. All right, moving on. Next, here is this one, and I was super excited by this. Why are you excited by this? It's a nice little stamp set, got a little ginger. This one, yes, I'm going to have to color in. Or you could stamp, maybe do some gold heat embossing or something like that. Look at the little coffee cup. Let me bring it up close to you guys. Christmas treats for somebody sweet with a little coffee cup and a cookie. There's a little gingerbread. All my Saturday morning makes, folks. You guys love this stuff. Baked with love by. And then sending loads of love this holiday season. So why is this so exciting? I didn't realize it works back to, until I saw the photo and I was like, what? It works back to this lovely little tag. Some of it goes on the tag and the rest of it goes on. So what makes this so exciting? It coordinates with assorted tags. All of these little goodies, most of them fit in here. And there is an example. Let me pop it up here so you can see. Love that. See the photo there? That's good stuff. So this one, assorted tags. So somebody again was like, well, let's stretch it. Okay, so the truck doesn't really fit in this one, you see? So that you could put on the bigger tag here. And this tag is so good in general because you can put those drop-ins and create the tag by itself or use it on a card like I did here. Love this tag set. And then these little tags, just fabulous. And here you can put, that circle can go into this. From Santa can probably go there, or this little one here. You see all the goodness? Well, that goes. Sending loads of love this holiday season. That goes there. And then the square one, stitched with holiday cheer. Oh, that's super cute. Or like make a stitching card with a gift and then put this on the outside or put this on the card but make it removable so they can, that's cute. Or stamp this on the back. That too. Yeah. Love this set. Handmade gift tags. Love. Now over here to the side, while I was trying to find what I couldn't find, I decided to bring in those sets so you can see them in person, okay? The many wishes. Many Merry Christmas. Lots of wishing you sentiments. Here is the many thanks, many birthdays. Spellbinders did not send this to me. I purchased every single one of these and I have no regret in doing so. All of these are fabulous. Every single one of them. This font is the font on the big portion that just gets me all the time. The sister to this, and I've shown this a few times in videos. See the happy birthday is the same font. This is the Glimmer hot foil to that smaller scale. So you can see it here in action on the Summer Labels Motif die set by Becca Feakin. Here is the happy birthday. So same font, smaller scale. If you are interested in just even getting just a birthday set, because birthday cards are the most popular that we make year round. You could do the bigger one, get the smaller one. Here you go. Cut it out with the coordinating die. If you don't have a Glimmer hot foil machine, but you want to cut it out, here is the stamp set. This goes with the surprise box. Has sentiments here. Some are a little bit different than what is here. This sentiment, just like this, and this, cuts out with that die. All good. I got these two, then I saw the wishing you, and now I just got the Merry Christmas today, and happy. I love the example of this. Love, love, love. Oh, let me show you the birthday. There you go. Happy birthday. And the thank you. It's something just plain scripty, but it's so good. Look at that U. See how it cuts all the way deep in there? I love that. Love that. Love that. Alrighty. Moving on. Tell me if you love this one with the tags. Like before you were like, whatever, Suzanne. Then when I showed you, you were like, oh, yeah. I was the same way. I said, oh, it goes with those tags. And oh my goodness, it makes it easy. I love easy. Next, I just showed you summer label motifs. Well, here comes the fall label motifs. And I didn't get this one from Spellbinders. I got the winter, summer, and spring, but I had to get the fall myself. This pumpkin, look at that pumpkin. See, keep these package labels. It is great cardstock that they put it on anyway. It's like almost like thin chipboard. So it can hold up. Even if you put an adhesive magnet here, it'll hold up. And then you get a little storage envelope if you don't store it in the original packaging. With time, sometimes these packaging split. But that pumpkin excitement and that label, I love this. Again, designed by Becca Feakin. 1 7/8 of an inch by like 1 3/8 of an inch. This pumpkin is just so sweet. Look at all of that. And I could use my embossing mat to add more texture and definition to this. And then look at those leaves and that acorn. That acorn got me too. I'm not gonna lie. And there is a stamp set to this. I don't have it, but there is a seasonal stamp set too. Oh, look, see, now look at this. If you look at it close enough, they put the die here on the background. So instead of using an embossing folder like a monochromatic, like white on white, you see it? That's cute too. Seeing the example? Love that. So I got the fall label motif. And then look at these little berries and kind of like that wheat look. Next, I have these two, the Dancing Snowman. So I showed you guys in one of the release videos, the dancing reindeer and the Halloween ones. I showed you my favorite here, Cousin It, dancing ghost. Well, there is dancing snowman. So this is another one. Keep that. Keep that label so you can always know how to put it together. You know, sometimes it's not easy to keep your phone open while you're putting together something like this. So just keep that label, okay? Dancing snowman, so cute. Yeah, so I had to get that because I wasn't sent the dancing snowman. But I do have dancing reindeer, dancing Santa. Fun. And then, to go with it, notice the packaging again. Don't think that you see this. This is this. Please read it. Dancing snowman. That's the snowman. Tinsel Time sentiments. These are sentiments. It is shown here, but it's the same photo. So don't just look at it and go, oh, this is snowman, and then you're getting this if you don't want it. These are all sentiments. 36. So half of 36 is what, 18? So 18 sentiments with the shadow. Hello. Love. And so you get the shadow on every single bit that is here. And I can see peeking, Santa, hugs, time, nothing. Okay, so this turn sideways drives me crazy. So I'm going to obviously get a bigger sheet of paper and I'm going to put them all out. That's just my organization. I can't help it. But that's just my way of being able to know what I have. Because right there, turning sideways, I can't tell what the heck I'm looking at. More sentiments with the shadow. These are just so cute too. And this one has a shadow. So I have Glimmer. And then also really sweet, the Merry Christmas. In a pinch, if I had to pick, I would go with the Merry Christmas. But then I love a good Glimmer too. But if you don't have a machine, go this. If you do have a machine, this is still good. You do get the shadow on that one. And these are cute because these are just darn cute. And if you're making cards for younger folks, kids, the teachers in your child's classroom, these are more that type of font, you know, than the more serious adult font. Where's this one? Oh, crafters, crafters, crafters. Didn't I just show it to you with the sled? I sure did. Yeah, here it is. And then there's also this one too. Different size scaling. This one is cute as well, but this one is more serious. So fun, more traditional, serious. I obviously am loving all of them. And these were all out of my pocket, so happy, happy, happy. And you'll be seeing them on my examples coming this month all the way through Christmas and then next Christmas, because everything here I'm showing you is timeless. Love that, crafters. Keep that in mind when you're buying dies, especially if you're like, you know, really looking at it going, should I, shouldn't I? Look at a die and think, how timeless is this? Every year you can pull all of these out. The dancing one, especially if you have kids, this, or making cards for your grandchildren, change up colors and everything. That's just absolute fun. Or for somebody who just needs a little pick-me-up. We all need a little pick-me-up, trust me. Cute. But these winners, all of these. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.